Hi everyone, I'm Kathleen if you're new here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 different half-up hairstyles you can do using either a braid, claw, or flexi clip. If you have any of these things, it'll totally work. The first style is just a simple pulled back half-up hairstyle, so nothing too fancy here, just taking a little bit of hair from the side of your head, pulling it to the back of your head, and then securing it with either your braid, claw, or flexi clip. If this is your first time using a flexi clip, all you have to do is take the pin of the clip and slide it along the scalp over top of your hairstyle and then secure it in one of the notches. So that is it for the first and most basic half-up hairstyle. This is really good if you're really short on time and only want to take 5 seconds to do your hair. The second variation is a little bit more involved than the first variation, but is still incredibly simple and easy. The first step is to take a small section of hair on either side of your head and then twist it all the way to the back of your head. Then to keep it in place, you get a little bobby pin, stick it in to hold it there while you do the other side. Taking a small section of hair, twisting it to the back of your head, and then once both of your sides are twisted, then you can take your clip and secure it. You can take the bobby pin out now since its purpose has been fulfilled, but if you want any extra security, then totally leave it in. This last half-up variation is a bit more time consuming than the other 2 variations, but definitely my favorite. So what we're going to be doing is braiding the sections of hair on the side of your head before pulling it back. I'm doing a traditional 3-strand braid, but you can do a Dutch braid, a French braid, any braid will work for this. Just do a small little braid with a section of hair on the side of your head and then pull it to the back of your head and then secure it with a bobby pin as you do the same braid on the other side of your head. Just braiding it all the way to the back and then securing it with the clip of your choice. I hope one of these half-up styles are helpful. If so, then give this video a thumbs up to let me know, and if there's any other hairstyles you want me to do next, comment them below to let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and bye.